Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage commodities trading with eTrade, complete guide step by step clearly. To get started with managing commodities trading on eTrade, first, create an eTrade account. Visit the eTrade website and click on the Open an Account button. Fill in the required personal information, including your name, email address, and contact details. Next, verify your identity by providing any necessary documents as prompted. After your account is created, log in using your new credentials. Familiarize yourself with the eTrade platform interface. Take note of the dashboard, which provides an overview of your accounts and market data. Research the commodities you're interested in trading. Access the Market tab and select Commodities to view the available options. Look at market trends and historical data by clicking on each commodity for more detailed insights. Use the screeners available on the platform to narrow down your trading options based on criteria that matter to you. Once you've identified a commodity to trade, decide whether to buy or sell. Click on the Trade button to access the order entry form. Input the ticker symbol of the commodity you wish to trade. Select the order type you prefer, such as market or limit order. Specify the quantity you want to trade and set your desired price if placing a limit order. Review your order details carefully to ensure they are correct. Once you're satisfied, click Submit to execute the trade. Monitor your trades and portfolio performance regularly. Utilize eTrade's analytics tools to track price movements and trends. Set alerts to notify you of significant price changes or news related to your commodities. Continuously educate yourself about commodities trading through eTrade's educational resources. Practice good risk management by diversifying your investments and using stop-loss orders. Keep updated on market news that can impact commodity prices. By following these steps, you will enhance your competence in managing commodities trading with eTrade. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.